We are here at a residential home. We are actually doing a move out for a customer that's trying to get his house ready for sale. And we are doing a re-stretch. We could use a power stretcher, but we're using a knee kicker. Just, you know, it works fine. If it was real bad, we would use a power stretcher. But the knee kicker, as you see, is moving those wrinkles basically in the master bedroom right here. And we're going to be doing some tile and grout cleaning. We're going to be doing some carpet cleaning all throughout, and we are doing a re-stretching right now and other stuff here for this customer of ours in Phoenixville area, actually in Rivercrest area of the country club. So if you guys need anything, carpet cleaning, tile and grout, marble, hardwood floor polishing, re-stretching, we do pretty much, we are your one-stop shop for anything you need done. Our motto is let us clean and restore it so you don't have to replace it. So if this customer had to replace this master bedroom, you're talking probably, you know, in the closet, depending on its upgrade, you know, a good, you know, $1,000 to $1,500. So we're saving them a lot of money. You know, and the carpet's in still good shape. Once we're done cleaning it, it's going to look great. So check us out for anything you need done. Clean, restored, move-ins, move-outs, commercial facilities. We do everything. www.navescleaning.com. Thanks.